We have something really awesome here in store at Odie's Oil for our customers. As most of you all know, we don't pay influencers to speak for us. We actually reward our customers for speaking the truth about our products. So what we're going to do here at Odie's Oil is we're going to give away $250 worth of Odie's Oil products to one lucky customer every week for posting the best Odie's Oil post they can come up with on one of the various social media platforms. So all you have to do is put out an amazing post showcasing your work with Odie's Oil, maybe a post about why you made the switch to Odie's Oil from X brand. Or maybe it's an unboxing. Or maybe it's just a before and after on one of your Odie's projects. Something that just really showcases Odie's and your fine work. You'll be judged on the quality of your post, your imagery, and your words. We're going to do this on X. We're going to do this on YouTube. We're going to do this on Facebook. We're going to do this on Instagram and TikTok. One lucky winner, and we're going to reward you to be the Odie's influencer, you to be the Odie's evangelist. And we appreciate all your support, and thank you to all of our customers over the years with their wonderful posts, and we're really looking forward to seeing your talent. And this is not just for woodworking, this is for all uses of Odie's Oil. So thank you and good luck, and we look forward to seeing your posts. Oh, almost forgot. Be sure to hashtag Odie's Rewards, Odie's Oil, and tag 5 friends with every entry. Good luck.